Good morning, students. In last period, we saw about the place value and the smallest number, greatest number. So now today our maths period, and in this period we will see expanded form and short forms. So first of all, I will tell you how to solve the problems of expanded form. So our first example is 1,25,197. 1,25,197. So it's how we will solve this. So first of all, we should know the place value of these numbers. So 7 is in ones place. 9, first look, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. So 7 is in ones place, 9 is in tens place, 1 is in hundreds place, 5 is in thousands place, and 2 is in 10,000s place, and 1 is in lakhs place. So first number is in lakhs position. So we will, in this, before writing the position, we will see after the 1 there are 5 numbers. So we will write 1 and then we will write 5 zeros. Why? Because after 5 there are 5 numbers. It means we will count ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. 1 lakh. It's correct. Then 2. 2 is in 10,000s place. So we will write ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. It's correct. Okay. Plus 5 is in thousands place. So we should know how many zero we will apply in thousands place. So 5 as it is, then 1, 2, 3. We should know how many zeros we will apply in ones place, thousands place, 10,000s place, plus. Then 1. 1 is in hundreds place. So how we will write 100 with 2 zeros, plus 9 is in tens place. So we will write here 9 and tens. How many zero we will apply in tens place? So 1. So it will be 90, plus 1. 7 is in ones place. So there we will apply no zero. So 7 we will write as it is. It means 7. So we can check out ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. It means 1 lakh plus 20,000 plus 5,000 plus 100 plus 90 plus 7. It means we completed first. Then after second number is 2,83,005. There first number is 2. 2 is in lakhs position. So we should know how many zeros we will apply here. We will apply 5 zero in lakhs position. Plus 8 is in 10,000s place. So we will write 80,000. 80,000 plus 3 is in thousands place. So 3 and then thousands place, how many zeros? 3. It means 3,000 plus. Here ones, tens, hundred. In thousands place there is 0. So we should write here 0 plus 0, because 0, if 0 is here, so we will write only 0. If it's in hundreds place, so if we want to write 30, but there is no value of 30, or in the place of 40, if 10 is here, so we will write as it is. Then tens, okay, then 5. So we will write 5. It means we completed second example. Then let's move on third example. So third example, the number is 5,41,938. So here ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. So first number is in lakh position. So we will write, we should know how many zero we will write in lakhs position. So there are 5 zero we will write in lakhs position. Okay, plus 4 is in 10,000s place. So 4 into 10, it means 40,000, plus 1 is in thousands place. So it means 1,000, plus 9 is in hundreds place. So we will write 900, plus 3 is in tens place, so we will write here 30, plus 8 is in ones place, so we never change anything here, so 8 will be as it is. It means we completed that expanded form here. Then after, our next topic is short form. So let us solve. Firstly, we have that number and we completed expanded form, and now in short form we have the long method, and we have to solve here short like this. First we have this number, so we have to write like this, and now we have that number, so we will write this type. Okay, so first example is we have 6 lakh plus 40,000 plus 2,000 plus 100 plus 7. We will count from here. It's ones, then after 100, then after 1,000, then after 10,000, then after lakh. But here tens place there is nothing, so we will write. First, don't write from here. If you have confusion, so you start from ones place. So first number is 7. Then after in tens place there is nothing, so we will write 0. Then after in hundreds place 1, so we will write 1. Then after in thousands place 2, so we will write 2. Then after 4, so we will write 4. And then after 6, so we will write 6. Then ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1,000, 10,000, comma. It means we completed 6,42,107. Then after, next example is 30,000 plus 5,000 plus 200 plus 20 plus 7. So which we will check first. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000. So there is nothing hard. So we will start from ones place. Here we will underline the first number 3, 5, 2, 2, 7. So we will write here 7, 2, 2, 5, 3. If we will write from the place 7, so there will be, if we will start from the ones place, so we can write correctly. But if we will write from starting, so like this, if we will write 6, 4, 2, 1, but here no tens place, so there is possibility to write wrong. But if we will write in this way, ones, tens, if we will start from the ones place, so we can write correctly. Then third example is 8 lakh plus 2,000 plus 30 plus 3. So here we can see ones place, ones, tens, there is no place of hundreds, there is nothing in hundreds place. Then after direct 2,000, then there is nothing in 10,000 place, and direct 8 lakh. So we will start here, we can confuse, but there is no need to be confused. We will start from ones place. So there will be 3 first number, then second tens place, so we will write 3. Then after in nothing in hundreds place, so we will write 0. Then thousands place 2, so we will write 2. Then here nothing is in 10,000 place, so we will write 0. And then in lakhs position 8. Okay, so we will put comma, ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1,000, 10,000, comma. Okay, in this way we will solve fourth example. So here 2 lakh plus 80,000 plus 3,000 plus 5. There is no place of tens, and there is no place value of 100. Means no number is in hundreds place and no number is in tens place. So we will solve. Here 5, here 3, here 8, and here 3. Some students solve like this. They write 2, 8, 3, 5. But it's wrong. We should not write in this way. We have to solve first. 5 is in ones place, so we will write 5. Then after here tens, hundreds, there is nothing. But we should know nothing, it means there is 0, 0. Okay. Then after in thousands place there is 3. Then after in 8 and then after 2. So ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousand, 10,000, comma, it means 2,83,005. So we write ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. So 2,83,005. It means this answer is correct. So don't be confused, student. And if you have, I have given homework to you, and if there is any problem to solve that problems, so you can contact with me and contact to me. Okay, students, have a nice day. Thank you.